How's everybody doing? This is Jeremy with Nisswa Marine, and we are in the showroom today to announce a little congratulatory congrats to Premier Marine for receiving the Innovation Award at some of the boat shows going across the United States right now. This is the all-new 230 SunSation Angler. We just want to do a quick highlight of the particular model that we have here in stock at Nisswa Marine. The 230 Angler has an Innovation Award for product design, the first ever fishing platform that has a completely wide open deck to fish out of. This is a really neat boat. I'm going to jump in here just to show you a couple quick things. All right, as you can see, we reached the top side of the Angler. This is where all the magic happens. We have an extremely robust fish station back here. Very fisherman and fisherwomen friendly. As you can see, you have a bait bucket, an enormous live well. A lot of times fishing pontoons have really small live wells, but when you're going to catch the big one, you got to have somewhere to put it. So they've done just an amazing job here. You got a ruler to measure it out, a little compartment here to store things, cup holders galore. Hey, and if you're even just relaxing and taking a cruising trip on this boat, this is a great little entertaining area too, to have snacks, drinks out here. We have plenty of different tackle box storage. As you can see, they just really loaded this thing up with features, and then a nice little drawer down here. So really excited about the Angler here at Nisswa Marine, as we brought in several different colors, Tritoon PTXs, 2 tubes. You can get this in the Sunspree or the SunSation line. So lots of different variety of price ranges that you can bring this 230 Angler in. And we just wanted to give you a quick highlight here at Nisswa Marine of the 230 Premier SunSation Angler.